Are you ready to take a journey through the cosmos and discover 20 mind-boggling space discoveries that have left scientists and astronomers scratching their heads in amazement? From mysterious dark matter and cosmic rays to bizarre exoplanets and potential signs of extraterrestrial life, this video has it all. Join us as we explore the wonders of our universe and uncover some of the most fascinating and puzzling space discoveries ever made. The size of the universe is hard to fathom, and it's expanding even faster than scientists originally thought. While humans will likely never map out the entirety of space, that doesn't stop them from exploring it. Here are 20 space discoveries that will blow your mind. Super Earth. An exoplanet with a mass almost 3 times that of Earth was discovered in 2017 by A. Suarez Mascareno and her team with the HARPS and spectrograph on the Telescopio Nacional Galileo off the coast of Spain. This super Earth is 21 light-years away and orbits its M-dwarf star in only 2 weeks. Scientists have their eyes set on these common planet types as a possibility for life. Ice volcanoes. NASA's Dawn mission in 2015 found a single volcano-esque mountain near the equator of the dwarf planet Ceres. NASA reported that the mountain, named Ahuna Mons, likely formed as a cryovolcano that releases frigid, salty water, sometimes mixed with mud instead of molten rock like an Earth volcano. Potentially habitable planets. In 2017, an exoplanet about the size of Earth, Ross 128 bits, was discovered by Xavier Bonfils of the Institute of Planetology and Astrophysics of Grenoble and the University of Grenoble-Alpes in France. This could be the closest planet to our solar system that is potentially habitable. In 2022, international scientists led by the University of Liège in Belgium discovered another super-Earth-like planet called LP 899c, also known as SPECULOOS2c, that may also have conditions suitable for supporting life. Liquid-filled canyons on Titan. In 2013, NASA's Cassini spacecraft found deep canyons about a half-mile wide on Saturn's moon Titan. These grand canyon-like formations are filled with liquid hydrocarbon. This was the first time researchers found evidence of both liquid-filled channels and canyons on Titan. Ultramassive black holes. Black holes are invisible parts of space created when a star dies. Their gravitational pull is so strong, they engulf both matter and light. NASA's Chandra X-ray telescope recently found ultramassive black holes that are 10 times larger than originally thought and are growing faster than the stars in their respective galaxies. The findings came from astrophysicists at the University of Montreal and the Institute of Space Sciences in Spain, who looked at 72 galaxies that all had supermassive black holes in their centers, which most galaxies have. Collision of neutron stars. Scientists captured 2 neutron stars crashing into each other in 2017. When a star runs out of energy, it collapses into itself, resulting in either a neutron star or a black hole. The discovery revealed that these high-powered impacts not only produce gravitational waves that cause a ripple in space-time, but they result in heavy elements such as gold and platinum. Tsunamis on Mars. NASA-funded research released in 2016 showed that shorelines located below the surface of Mars were created by 2 megatsunami events. The findings support the theory that the red planet once had an ocean underneath its desert surface. Alcohol-spewing comet. In 2015, a team of scientists led by Nicolas Biver of the Paris Observatory in France reported that Comet Lovejoy left a trail of ethyl alcohol, the same thing found in booze. The team found evidence of 21 organic molecules, including a type of sugar. Finding organic materials in comets supports the theory that these celestial objects could have contained life-creating elements. Planet-building clumps. In 2018, planetary scientists reported that they had found evidence for pebble accretion, the theory that golf ball-sized clumps of space dust accumulated to create tiny planets called planetesimals during the early stages of planetary formation. Results were published by a team of scientists at the Astromaterials Research and Exploration Science Division at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston and NASA's Ames Research Center in Mountain View, California. Cosmic microwave background. The Big Bang Theory holds the universe rapidly exploded into being 13.8 billion years ago. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, which dates back to about 400,000 years after the Big Bang, shows the heat left behind. Although the radiation is too cold for humans to see, it is visible on the microwave part of the electromagnetic spectrum. The CMB was found in 1965 by researchers at the Bell Telephone Laboratories, but in 2013, scientists used the European Space Agency's Planck satellite to measure radiation to get the best picture possible of the birth of the universe. Possibility of life on Jupiter's moon. In a study released in 2017, researchers reported evidence of shifting tectonic plates on Jupiter's icy moon Europa, which has a balance of hydrogen and oxygen similar to Earth. These findings support the possibility that Europa could be hospitable to life. The ocean is frozen 10 miles deep, but future missions might try to discover if the body of water is warm enough beneath the surface to support life. Star-sucking black holes. In 2015, the ASCEN 15 Log tidal disruption event, captured by the All-Sky Automated Survey for Supernova, emitted light that was 20 times brighter than the entire output of the Milky Way. A team of scientists, led by Georgos Liloudas from the Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel, published a paper in 2016 explaining the explosion wasn't a supernova, as originally thought, but a dying star that was pulled in by a supermassive spinning black hole. These findings show that, unlike stationary black holes that can only affect stars within their event horizon, spinning black holes can pull in outside celestial bodies. Sun twins. A study published in 2017 by researchers from the University of California and Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory reported that almost all Sun-like stars are created with a counterpart, including the one in this solar system. The Sun's theoretical sibling, known as Nemesis, most likely drifted away millions of years ago. In 2016, an ice layer bigger than New Mexico was discovered on Mars. The layer, which sits somewhere under 3 to 33 feet of soil, is thought to be an accessible spot for future exploration. The researchers who made the discovery were led by Cassie Sturman of the Institute for Geophysics at the University of Texas. The synestia theory. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth may have been a synestia, a short-lived hot mass that can be donut-shaped, according to a 2017 study in the Journal of Geophysical Research. Planets. Scientists believe these celestial objects are formed after two planet-sized bodies collide, which may be how the moon was formed. Water on the moon. NASA discovered water on the sunlit surface of the moon, adding intriguing new information to the mystery of the lunar surface. Scientists found definitive evidence of ice on the moon's north and south poles in 2018, but the new findings confirm the presence of water molecules, the same H2O we're familiar with on Earth. The discovery was made with NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, SOFIA, a modified Boeing 747 SP jetliner with a powerful telescope that picked up the wavelength of water molecules in the moon's Clavius crater. Supermassive black hole. In 2018, researchers at Australian National University released data on a massive, quickly growing black hole.